Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rob Thomas, your everything Microsoft architect. And we're here to talk about a really cool tool, Microsoft Clarity. Now, we all work hard to get visitors to our website, right? We use Google Analytics. We got everything set up. We're able to see some things. But there's some cool things that we would love to see, but they're super expensive. You know, we use analytics pretty much like Google Analytics to, track our page views, our traffic sources. But what if we could see your site through your user's eyes? These expensive capabilities. I mean, what if you knew exactly where they were stuck, frustrated, or confused? So today, in part one of this series, we're going to explore Microsoft Clarity, a freaking free tool that does exactly that. Now, hold on to your seats. Without further ado, let's give a shout out to our sponsor. Now, as always, we want to give a shout out to our sponsor, which is our enterprise software solution, the Software Dudes. These guys are great. For any of your Azure, Microsoft 365, Microsoft Dynamics, Copilot, Microsoft SQL Server, Windows Server, these guys are great. And these guys turn me on to Clarity, Microsoft Clarity. You can see their existing customers here. I'm a customer, I'm a partner. I highly recommend using them for this particular reason. You're looking for these capabilities, and somehow, some way, Microsoft is giving it away for free. So let's dig into this. All right, this is Microsoft Clarity, right? And what I want to do is I want to pretty much talk about Microsoft Clarity. All right, now Clarity basically provides insight that traditional analytics can't. I mean, it's built on three core functions, right? So this is Clarity. Microsoft Clarity is this great tool that has three capabilities, and you can see here heat maps, session recording, and insights. Let's first talk about session recordings. These aren't videos. They're visual reconstructions of your user entire journey on your website. You can watch every mouse movement, every scroll, and every click, just like looking over their shoulder. This thing is phenomenal because I've seen many times in my career that we used, really great tools that does session recording, and it was ridiculously expensive, right? And it's free here. And let me save that one. Let me move on to the second item, which is the heat maps. Now, heat maps aggregate the behavior of thousands of users into a visual report. A click map shows you hotspots where people click the most, while a scroll map shows you how far down the page most people actually go. It's powerful to see the patterns at a glance. Again, heat maps are another powerful capability because in this diagram here, you can see literally what we were just talking about, right? Now, third, automated insights. Clarity's dashboard automatically flag moments moments of a user's frustration. And this is powerful. It'll show you rage clicks. Again, me using more expensive tools, you're looking for rage clicks so you can optimize your website and make the experience really great for your user. Now, rage click is where users click repeatedly in the same spot, or dead clicks. This is where they click on something that isn't interactive. It's like having an analyst point out problems for you. I mean, this is a game changer. And moving on, talked about three features, right? Recording session, heat maps, automated insights. What makes this thing a game changer? It is completely free. And as Microsoft says right here, it's free forever. This is why this tool is essential for you to have. First and foremost, again, I'm going to say it again, Clarity is completely free forever. There's no traffic limit, no premium features hidden behind a paywall. This is almost unheard of for a tool this powerful. This is just freakily unheard of for recording and rage clicking and heat maps. I mean, that's ridiculous. You're going to spend an insane amount of money just to have that feature on your website. And because it's so expensive, you're just not going to buy it, right? Now, secondly, it enables data-driven decisions. I mean, instead of guessing why a page has a high bounce rate, you can watch recordings and see users getting frustrated by the layout. Instead of assuming people see your contact us button, a scroll map can improve that 80% of users never even scroll that far down. Now, this allows you to find and fix user frustration quickly. I mean, this will lead to better user experience and ultimately higher conversion wage. In other words, translation, more money. It's about taking the guesswork out of a website optimization. All right, and let's go to the next coolest thing, and that is Clarity most recently had become even more powerful with its integration into Copilot. Oh my goodness. Talk about the cherry on top. I mean, imagine you had hundreds of session recordings. You don't have time to watch them all. With Copilot, you can just simply ask it to summarize the recordings for you. It will analyze the sessions and give you a written report of the key takeaways and the user's pain point. It's an incredible time saver that makes this rich data even more accessible. I mean, integrating Copilot into this, wow, that caught me off guard. All right, that's now in our next video. I want to stop there. This is part one. Introduce this to you, talk about the tool, right? Talk about its key features, right? And in part two, we're going to dig into this. Like, this is what it's going to look like when you get it set up, right? So definitely want you to start thinking about Clarity and consider it as a really powerful tool as you put it into your technology stack. So to recap, again, Microsoft Clarity, it is a free tool. It'll let you see your website through the user's eyes, using session recording, heat maps, and AI-powered insight. I mean, it helps you to understand the why behind their behavior. Now that we know what Clarity is, again, join me in part two, where we're going to explore in more depths its more practical, real-world use cases to solve common problems like debugging issues, optimizing your page layout, and improving your site conversion funnel. All right. So thanks so much for watching. I mean, if you got value out of this, do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the next one. Now it's your turn. What is one feature in Clarity you're most excited to try? Or is there another tool you'd like to see me cover? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'd love to chat with you about it. Until the next video, keep creating. All right, bye.